This village is Abdullah Khan Bilidai. The conditions of which village I have told through 2 videos before. This is the third video. This is such a big village that its situation has to be described in the form of 3 videos, because it is not possible to show the whole situation in one video. In the beginning of the video, you see a dead cow. This cow belonged to the man who owns this house. He only had 1 cattle. She also died, and now he has no house and not any other property. This village is full of thousands of sad stories of people who are trying to convey their pain to the world. These victims of global warming, climate change, neither knew nor had any idea of such a huge disaster. These village people are very simple because they are dominated by landlords here, and those imposing forces don't educate them. People here are not educated enough to understand global warming or climate change. This village is backward in terms of education. Basic facilities, drinking water, electricity, gas and mobile phone network are not available here. Due to the continuous rains, the houses of these people collapsed, after which the flood waters washed away the traces of the houses. Some families of the village are living in the government schools. These people don't have enough resources to live in a city. These families have been living in schools for more than a month. But still neither the federal government nor the provincial government nor any welfare organization have come to help them. People here have nothing to eat.
असांखे कार पिनी वठी आया के राशन केर भी नथो दे बरसाती असां पीए जे मेठाऊं असांजा बच्चा हर शइ असांखे चुॿी आहिनि असांखे राशन ताईं कंहिं बि न ॾिनो आहे आज़ी थो अचे पंहिंजे मनपसंद खे थो ॾे जेकॾहिं गफ़ार खणी थो अचे ॿार खे वठी आहे गफ़ार पंहिंजे मनपसंद वारनि खे थो ॾे जेके बि अॻवान आहिनि सभु पंहिंजे मन खे ॾियनि ग़रीब हुते हुते असां स्कूल गर्ल्स स्कूल हाई स्कूल में वेठाऊं केर बि हिते असांजी मार कई थी कार्ड न वठनि न कार्ड छाकाणि न वठनि कार्ड वठी ऐं राशन पंज न कनि असांजी वेठा हुजे कुझु कोन थो मिले बसि असां जे चए त हिननि खे असां ॾेई अचूं त असां असांखे कोन
गरीबों जे रजायूं ठाहियूं किरी पिया हलो आया हूं छा कंहिं मजबूरी कोन किताब किताब
The federal government, government of Sindh, and international human rights organizations should reach out to them and, if not more, at least provide food, drinking water, tents, and medicines to these victims so that the possible deaths due to hunger and diseases can be avoided. It should be stopped and the lives of these innocent people should be saved.